Alrighty then. This morning we're talking about this scrolling LED name tag. This is something I happened to see one of these at a ham radio fest, and I think they wanted $15. I figured I could probably get one a little bit cheaper, and so I bought this one off of eBay. It was $10.50 shipped. A few quick little things about it. It's kind of a dumb idea for what it's actually designed for. It's supposed to be a name tag you wear. It has a pin. And then it has this magnet, and I guess what you're supposed to do with this is put it on your clothes and it'll hold it up without using a pin. I didn't buy it for that. I bought it mostly for one reason: to use in my videos. Here's a few quick stats about it. There's not really a lot of information on these. I will of course put the auction listing title in the description, or in the, down here somewhere. It will hold 8 separate messages. It will hold a total of 4K of messages. That's not just 4 characters though. There are some control codes apparently that are uploaded as well, like if you want a marquee border, if you want, if you do certain built-in symbols, those use 2 characters. Font information. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do. It comes with a small mini CD that contains 2 versions of the program used for programming it. One is, for some odd reason, just a god-awful titty pink Hello Kitty decorated program, and the other one is just plain. One is labeled as for business, and the other one, I don't know. There's no difference between the 2 programs other than the way they look. Currently I have 4 messages on here, which takes up 776 bytes. This thing has 8 different speeds that it will roll the display. The first 3 on here will be at speed 6, and the last one is at speed 4. There are 11 show modes. I'm not sure. I think these are like fades, like whether or not it comes in from the left, the right, up, down. Supposedly you can draw your own graphics and upload them, and it comes with 16 built-in icons, or emojis, I guess you could call them. That will be what the 4th message is on here. So I'm going to turn it on. Oh, and before I turn it on the side here, there's 2 buttons. The first one is the power button. I also think it cycles it, or it may control brightness. The second one cycles, and then you have a standard phone charge connector. And when you hook up a charger or just a USB cable to your computer, you get this display which shows you the state of charge and a coffee cup for some reason. Let's unplug it here and it will turn on, displaying a message, and it's going to cycle through all 4 of my messages. This is the marquee I was telling you about. It's labeled in the program as lamp. And these are the built-in emojis or icons that come with it. Yeah, as soon as these run through, I'll show you some of the. So that's it for the emojis. If you just tap the first button, it turns it on and off. Even though it says long press to turn it off, just a quick press turns it off. If you hold it down, I believe, nope, it just controls on and off. If you hold the second button down, it controls the brightness. And I think it's got like 4 levels of brightness. Tapping the button cycles through the messages. And this is the main reason I've got this, because I'm not allowed to monetize and or basically get a Patreon or anything like that. So if anyone wants to send me coffee money, which will go to basically purchasing anything that I review, you can do so at this address. And if you don't, well, I just will have less content. I think this has possibly 11. It's really hard to count. LEDs high, and I'm not sure how many wide. I would probably say it's close to 100, but not 100% sure. But that's it.